Hello, good evening, good evening. I know you're wondering where the hell this place is. So, if you've watched my other video that I just did, this I could say this is the second video or part 2 of the first video that I did. The latest video I mean. My name is Nzioka. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber, travel YouTuber right now in Kenya coast, and right now I'm doing a video that I want to show you the beautiful and the nightlife of here in the Kenya coast. So I'll just be showing you the nightlife. Hope you are going to enjoy this video. And over there is where people are already preparing some fire and preparing the fire to showcase the nightlife of here. So guys, I'm gonna be sticking around just to show you the nightlife. But if you haven't seen my latest video, my last video, I did a video whereby I was showing the sunset, and the beautiful sunset was somewhere there. I don't know if you can still see the sunset, but you can see the reflection from the water. So this is the Congo River, and we're gonna be showing you the beautiful scenery of this Congo River. So just to give you an update, if you haven't watched the other video, that place over there is where I'm gonna be going to show you, is where people are already camping to show you the the nightlife. All right, so let's go and let me show you the nightlife. So I'm gonna...
Oh guys, wait. I know guys, you're wondering why am I stopping. So the people you see behind me, you might have seen them somewhere else. This is Dave and his wife. They're YouTubers on YouTube, the big celebrities. One of the people I look after. They make so good videos. They're living in Kenya, but they're from UK, and I don't know how, but I never recognized them until I was editing this video. And just to make sure if it was them, I messaged Dave, because he's a friend of mine. I messaged him on Instagram to just make sure it was them. And you know what he said? Here's the message. He said, yes, we saw you, and we also wanted to ask you what kind of video you were doing, but we didn't want to interrupt. Guys, I missed this moment. I could have featured them on my video, but anyway, that aside, I missed that chance. Let's continue.
And then I'm gonna be leaving, so you better stay tuned, okay, so that I can show you the nightlife of Diani from here, because this is something that I've never done, but I'm hoping that you're gonna like this video. All right, okay, so I'm gonna just be going on the other side, and then I'm gonna show you the Indian Ocean from the Congo River, because the Congo River connects this way and it goes all the way to the Indian Ocean. All right. So guys, this is the Indian Ocean from the Congo River, and there's a lot of waves coming from this side. So this is the Indian Ocean and the Congo River on the other side with a beautiful sunset. And guys, that's the only thing that I wanted to show you before we wait for that moment whereby we'll be having nightlife here. The reason why I'm thinking that we'll have nightlife is because there's different fire stations like there and over there, whereby people have already set fire, and that's why I'm thinking might have nightlife. If it doesn't, then you guys just gonna forgive me, because I'm still gonna upload this video for you. All right, so let's just come around and wait. Oh, they've already started fire somewhere there. They have already started fire, and then yeah. Guys, this is what we call a fail, because I was hoping to get nightlife, but it seems like there's nothing really happening so much interesting. Just one couple here, I think they're in honeymoon, and we have a restaurant up there. I don't know if you can see some lighting. So there's a restaurant there, and that restaurant is serving them here. Sorry guys. So they got some fire turned on, and there's not really much happening. I think there is. Oh, I think I was wrong. I think there's something happening. People started just singing. Just here we have guitars and people singing. Wow.
Waneki, twende.
Oh, this is so beautiful. The guy's singing right there. So nightlife looks like it's beginning. And then there's photo shoot going on. There's photo shoot going on. Then there's fire. Alright. It looks like it's more lively over that side, whereby that guy is singing. And we have some nice lighting.
Nikakuza shamba langu sababu yake yeye, nikakuza ng'ombe na mbuzi sababu yake yeye, yapate nami ya ndege. I still need you, baby. Padini kulichega chega hivyo sikia kama na wanjani. Padini kulichega chega hivyo still mami we. I'm kidding. Show.
Can you go together? I also want to sing this out.
Guys, that was so beautiful. That was so beautiful singing here at the Congo River. This music, photo shoot. I just need to run away from this music because I don't want copyright on this video. I've done so much to get these clips. Thank you guys for watching that nightlife video. I appreciate you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment. I had to find somewhere we have lighting so that I can finish up this video, because at the beach it was very dark, so I had to come out here to Kunda Market. I can finish up the video, but hope you liked it. If you liked it, subscribe, like and share with your friends, and let me see you in the next one.